If you're trying to get your AWeber account into compliance, you're not alone. AWeber, like most email marketing platforms, has strict policies, and getting flagged can mean lower deliverability or worse, account suspension. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get your account in good standing. And if AWeber isn't working out for you, I'll also show you a better alternative with a free trial, so stick around. The first thing you need to understand is that AWeber is highly focused on permission-based marketing. If you're uploading a list that wasn't built organically, meaning they didn't sign up through your opt-in forms, you might run into compliance issues. To fix this, AWeber may ask for proof of how you obtained your list. If you can't provide a clear source, you'll need to clean it using a tool like Zero Bounce or Never Bounce before importing. Another common issue is high complaint rates. If too many people mark your email as a spam, AWeber will take action. The best way to prevent this is by setting clear expectations when people subscribe. Tell them what kind of emails they'll receive and how often. Also, avoid misleading subject lines. AWeber tracks open rates, and deceptive emails that cause high unsubscribes or spam reports will trigger compliance reviews. The next thing to check is whether your emails contain prohibited content. AWeber, like most email platforms, has strict rules against promoting things like affiliate marketing in a way that seems spammy, crypto, or certain financial offers. If your content falls into these categories, you'll need to adjust your messaging to be more value-driven rather than looking like a sales pitch. If your account is already flagged, the best way to resolve it is by contacting AWeber's support directly. They might require you to remove certain email addresses, modify your email content, or reconfirm subscribers. It's annoying, but if you cooperate, you can often restore your account quickly. That said, if you keep running into compliance issues or find AWeber's policies too restrictive, you might want to consider switching. After testing multiple platforms, I've found that Competitor offers way better flexibility while still maintaining high deliverability rates. If you want to try it out, I've linked the best free trial in the description, which comes with exclusive benefits only available through our link.